अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम बायोलॉजी 11 चैप्टर 5 इंजाइम्स की एक्सरसाइज के शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डिफाइन इंजाइम एंड कोफैक्टर। इंजाइम्स आर स्पेसिफिक प्रोटीन्स दैट स्पीड अप specific chemical reactions by lowering the required activation energy but are unaltered themselves in the process. And cofactor is a non-protein chemical compound or metallic ion that is required for an enzyme's activity as a catalyst. There are three kinds of cofactor: metal ions, prosthetic groups and coenzymes. Next question is differentiate between coenzymes and prosthetic group. A loosely bound organic cofactor that participates in enzymes catalysis is called coenzymes, and a tightly bound, often covalently non-protein cofactor permanently attached to the enzyme is called as prosthetic group. Prosthetic group may be an organic compounds like hematine. Next is what do you mean by hydrolysis? Give two examples. The enzymes that catalyze hydrolysis reactions are called hydrolysis. They break their substrates into monomers by adding water. For example, lipase, amylase, peptidase and other digestive enzymes catalyze the hydrolysis of food molecules. Next is what is meant by activation energy? Activation energy is the minimum amount of energy required for a chemical reactions to occur. Enzymes function by lowering this energy barrier, allowing reactions to proceed faster. Activation energy is the energy which works to destabilize existing chemical bonds. Next is define feedback inhibition. Feedback inhibition, a process that regulates the concentration of a final product in a metabolic pathway. The final product of the pathway acts as an inhibitor, reacting with an initial enzymes and changing its shape. This prevents the enzymes from binding to its substrate, effectively shutting down the pathway and stopping the production of more product. Next is give examples of competitive and non-competitive inhibitors. Competitive inhibitors. A competitive inhibitor resembles the enzyme substrate. It competes with substrate for the same binding site on enzymes. Example: the enzyme succinic dehydrogenase catalyzes the oxidation of succinic acid to fumaric acid. Malonic acid has structural similarity with substrate succinic acid, so both of them compete for active site of enzymes. Malonic acid is selected by active site and thus block it. Next is a non-competitive inhibitors. A non-competitive inhibitors has no real structural similarity to substrate, so it does not enter active site. Examples: for example, two substrates succinic acid and coenzymes A react to form succinyl coenzyme A. This reaction is catalyzed by enzyme succinyl coenzymes A synthetase. After its formation, the product means succinyl coenzymes A act as a non-competitive inhibitor and binds with enzyme. Thus, enzymes is inhibited and no more succinyl coenzyme A is produced. Next is what is optimum pH? Give optimum pH of 3 human enzymes. Optimum pH is a specific pH at which an enzymes work at its maximum rate. A slight change in this pH can reduce or completely block enzymes activity. Optimum pH of 3 human enzymes: pepsin has 1.5 to 1.6 and salivary amylase 4.6 से 5.2. इसी तरह ट्रिप्सन की ऑप्टिमम पीएच होती है 7.8 से 8.7 के दरमियान। तो डेयर ये थे चैप्टर 11 बायोलॉजी चैप्टर 5 इंजाइम्स की एक्सरसाइज के शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन। इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम चैप्टर 6 की एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व करेंगे। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।